Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use sketch to image to draw anything you want to generate in an existing image. So here I've got a picture of a sofa. So if you want to generate something in this image, then let me show you how to do this. So first, go ahead and open up your gallery app. Go ahead and go to a picture where you want to edit. So for example, this one here. At the bottom here, you've got this AI feature, which looks like a star. Tap on it. Now from the bottom, go ahead and swipe left until you see sketch to image. Now here, let's say I want to add a person here on a sofa. So I'll go ahead and draw a person. Now it's transforming my sketch into something. So there you go. So it's added something to that image. Now, if you like the result, go ahead and tap on Save Copy and then press OK. And that is how to sketch to image on your Samsung S25 Ultra. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.